Sea Turtle Inc.'s mission here on South Padre Island, Texas is to provide medical care, rehabilitation services, education, conservation efforts, and research around the endangered sea turtle. So today, in partnership with Green Mountain Energy Sun Club, we are launching an innovative and new way of sourcing our water from the Laguna Madre to use it for our residents and our hospital.
Green Mountain Energy founded the Green Mountain Energy Sun Club in 2002 to provide sustainability grants to nonprofits in the cities and locations that we serve. And we make sure that we find nonprofits that are doing amazing work in the communities that they serve. Over the past 20 years, we have donated over $14 million to nearly 170 unique projects. Today, we are officially flipping the switch on the new UV sterilization system here at Sea Turtle Inc.
So we source all of our water for our hospital and our resident facility from the local lagoon. But before we're able to use it, we have to remove any harmful bacteria, pathogens, anything that could cause a risk to our patients and residents. So the UV sterilizers basically help us to do that. So they're hollow tubes that have light bulbs running through them, and those light bulbs emit ultraviolet light. And that light essentially damages the bacteria, the viruses, anything that could cause disease. It basically makes them ineffective and completely harmless. So the new UV sterilizers mean that we don't have to use any chemicals at all, and we're able to provide safe, sustainable water in a much more efficient and environmentally friendly way.
You know, I think efforts like this and programs like this in partnership with Green Mountain Energy Sun Club really put the rubber to the road on what our mission is. That's more than just protecting eggs and sea turtles on the beach or rehabilitating hundreds of sea turtles a year, but it's using responsible, ecologically advanced processes that will really maintain safe waterways for our marine life and our sea turtles, and that will help us reduce toxins and chemicals and really depend on a more conservation-minded approach to the way that we source water.